You can make your own oil drain pan out of an empty oil container. And what's nice about it, it's got a cap so you can loosen that, and with a funnel, or if you've got a big enough container to put your used oil into, you take it up to the recycling center, you can just pour it in, let it drain in, or you can use a funnel, or you can use your after you put the new oil in, you can use your old empty oil container and a funnel. I don't know if I used a razor blade or just like an not an X-Acto knife, but one of those utility knives with the two-sided razor blade on it to cut it out.